Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is April 28th. We're looking at the chart of the Nifty Indian Index 60 minutes time frame here, guys. So we completed this wave 2 in the cycle degree back in early April. By the way, this low is the same low all across the indices, world indices, whether you look at SPX, FTSE, DAX, Nasdaq, Russell, all of them bottom around the same time, late March, early April, and all of them starts to rally together. Now, some indices already breaks to new high, like ES, Nasdaq, Russell, but some have not, and Nifty is one of those indices that has not broken to new high after the bottom in early April. Okay, but again, if we try to correlate across the indices, the one that breaks to new high technically signaling that the next phase of the move up has already started, and therefore we also can extrapolate that to other indices for now that has not broken to new high, that they too will continue to be supported. Okay, so if we take a look at the Nifty, then this rally from the early April, we're calling this as an impulse 1 2 3 4 5. This cycle completed already based on the size of the pullback here, right? And now we could potentially do a what we call a double correction, WXY, to correct this rally before the next leg up again afterwards, as long as we don't break below 22,174. So the bias is higher, but it's not really as good as the one that has already confirmed by breaking to new all-time high, right? But again, correlation suggests Nifty likely will continue to stay supported as well. As long as other indices continue to go higher, continue to get supported, Nifty likely will also do the same. So as long as we don't break below this 22,174, any pullback will find support in 3,711 and continues to go higher. Okay, now zooming out, we can see, just for context purpose, this wave 2, C of 2 here. If I look at the weekly time frame, the C of 2 is right here. C 2. Now you notice here there is actually a 5 ways down here, 3 4 5 ending that C, right? So the C is technically a 5 ways down, so the B will be somewhere here, the beginning of that 5 ways down, and then the A is gonna be this one. So this is a complex kind of structure here, whereby we are doing what we call a running flat from this peak. We got this A, B, C, 3, 3, 5, finish here, started to rally again, and the rally looks impulsive, and this is where we are now in the 1 hour time frame. So here we finish this rally in a wave 1, and now looking for wave 2, followed by more upside. Now if we break below this low again, then there is a chance that the peak here, the peak of the rally in Nifty, is actually here instead of here, and then this is going to become your A leg, the 5 ways down, and this become your B leg, and then you're going to have a C leg down like this to finish with 2. Okay, now that is the alternate count in case it breaks below that low 22,174, but again, correlating with the other indices, which is also bottoming at the same time and has already made new high, then I think it is likely Nifty can hold above that level too and continue to go higher. Okay, so if you want to get more updates like this, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.